Hey guys, Adam Savage here from Tested and from Savage Builds with a mystery that I am hoping to solve using your help. We're going to crowdsource a solution to this mystery if possible. In the last episode of Savage Builds, I went down to New Zealand to help Peter Jackson attach laser tag to two of his World War I airplanes and enjoy a genuine dogfight. It's kind of like building a time machine. And Peter has one of the world's greatest collection of World War I aircraft, over 60 of them in total. Many of them are replicas, but also many of them are originals that have been meticulously restored. And Peter sometimes will buy a plane that's been rotting in someone's attic for decades and bring it back to New Zealand and carefully take it apart and put it back together again and make it fly. And this mystery involves one of those planes.
What was actually amazing when we were building an SE5 is we found some wings in a barn that had been sitting there for 100 years. Wow. You know, original wings. Now the fabric was still there, but it was obviously, you know, rotten, but the wood underneath was good. So we carefully removed the fabric. Now right in the front leading edge here, there's a little hollow in the wood, and in that hollow there was a piece of paper rolled up that we found as we removed the fabric. And this is fabric that had not been removed for 100 years. So then we wondered what it was. We unrolled it, and it was a beautiful pencil portrait of a pilot, of a British First World War pilot. Wow. And somebody had sketched that, obviously of some friend of theirs, or maybe it was a self-portrait. Who knows? And the wings must have been being repaired at the time, back in 1917, and he must have got the idea, I'm going to roll this up, because in 100 years in New Zealand, they're going to find it. and we did. And so what would be really interesting is if we could find out the identity of the pilot.
Because, I mean, there's tons of photos of pilots from back then.
Yeah, I mean, there's squadrons, there's big photos of the entire squadron. Now I'm not smart enough to know, to recognize this guy, but I'm sure that there'll be people
that maybe we can crowdsource.
Yeah. So let's see if we can give this person a name.
I will put the word out and see what we can find out back.
Great. Fantastic.
What an amazing thing. What a time capsule.
Oh yeah, for sure it is, yeah. Well, it's a time capsule because somebody back then thought of doing it, because once you cover the wing, I mean, the plane could have been shot down by the Germans, it could have been burned, it could have been destroyed. I mean, there was no guarantee that was going to ever survive. And one of the very few original SE5 wings that actually made it through 100 years in a barn actually contained his picture. Amazing. Whereas there was like two or 3,000 of these planes made, and the other ones are all just scrapped or shot down. So he chose the right wing.
You really did.
Yeah, I know. It's complete luck. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Peter has this drawing, and I have a copy of it, a digital printout of it right here. And this is the drawing of this officer. And here is what Peter was hoping that we could achieve by showing this online is, does this look like anyone from your family? Does this look like a picture of your grandfather or your great-grandfather? Do you have an idea of who this might be? Because it would be fabulous to unravel, literally, this mystery and solve who is this unknown British pilot. As always, leave your comments and your suggestions as to who this might be in the comments below, and hopefully we will solve this mystery. And if we do, we'll be able to attach a name again to this handsome young man who is no longer young.